Hi, welcome. Greetings from the Ekal Gala here in Los Angeles. I'm here with Rajeev Agarwal, who is the CEO of Max Software, who I often refer to as our guardian angel of the Global Learning XPrize. Rajeev, I'm really happy to see you here again.
Yeah, thank you for coming and investing so much time with Ekal. Good evening. Very inspiring event. Thank you for talking about the XPrize, especially the Global Learning XPrize, and the opportunities that are available to our students to use the software that came about because of your efforts.
Well, thank you. And your work really, what's amazing for those of you who don't know what Rajeev has done so far, when we released our software as open source, Rajeev's company immediately, Rajeev said his team working to localize. Want to talk a little bit about what you and your team did?
Yeah, so two things. One was we wanted to make sure the software was truly open source because based on our experience in software, we know when developers are developing a lot of code at a very fast pace, it's sometimes hard for them to check in all the code correctly, and so that it is easily accessible to a new development. And so we wanted to help out with that, to verify all that. And in the process, since we were planning on doing the open source work anyways to localize it for the Indian subcontinent, we were able to speed up the process because we already knew where the code was and what exactly needed to be done. So as a result of that, the second thing we were able to do was bring it to the languages in India, which is where we have a lot of the underserved student population. Started with Hindi, then Urdu, which is right to left language, and then Bengali, and then of course English, because we wanted to make sure that students around the world can also access it using English alone.
So this to us, for those of you who've been following the Global Learning XPrize over the years, what we've asked the global community to do is to use the software code that came out of this, localize it into languages, source the hardware, and then get distribution partners to get this learning software into the hands of children. So what you're seeing tonight really with Rajeev standing here, who immediately answered that call, localized the software into these languages, secured hardware for tablets so this can get to children, and then partnered with nonprofits that can distribute in India. This is how we are reaching children. This is how this work scales. If we don't have people who are taking on the challenge and doing the work, then what is it all for? The point of it is to have people like Rajeev who are out doing this work and scaling it. We are so grateful.
So the advantage we had, or I had, was that I was familiar with the two of the largest nonprofits, education nonprofits, Pratham and Ekal, so I had some connections and credibility, and they have the reach. So they can get to places where individually we cannot get to. And they are looking for technology or help with software that can help them maximize their impact with minimal, effort and expense. So that is why I think all of these things coming together, I think, is very meaningful for our students. So it's all about students. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So keep watching. We're going to be filming some of the children in India receiving these learning tablets. So you will see Rajeev again as our crew goes out and captures some of this. You can follow the scaling of this technology as we try to work together towards our goal of quality education for all children everywhere. Thank you.